It's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week so far. The Cardano developers have been hard at work, so today I want to talk about Cardano Improvement Proposal 50. It's a new improvement proposal to make the ecosystem more decentralized and everything run even better. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, at the July Cardano R&D session, Ryan Wiley, Sir Korn, introduced CIP 30 Rebirth, a proposal to strengthen the pledge system and improve decentralization on Cardano. The Cardano blockchain is already known to be a very decentralized blockchain, but there's always room for improvement. So today, I want to talk about CIP 50 and what this means for the Cardano ecosystem. The issue: many stake pools operate with zero pledge, weakening Sybil resistance and lowering the Nakamoto coefficient. CIP 50 proposes an underpledged penalty zone, reducing or removing rewards for pools that exceed a set leverage threshold, delegated stake versus pledge. Ryan emphasized flexibility. The L parameter leverage limit should be adjustable via on-chain governance to balance fairness and impact. So I want to give you a sneak preview of Ryan's presentation so you can learn exactly how this works.
Okay, so I'm Ryan. I go by Sir Korn on the internet. I'm a Cardano community member. There's a group of us that earlier on this year got together to put together a working group to work on incentives, and this CIP 50 proposal of ours is one of our major proposals we've been putting together. So first off, to define kind of what we're looking at here, pledge iohk. You probably hear these parameters thrown around. Pledge is basically the ADA that a stake pool puts in their own pool. And it's designed to increase rewards and have them represent skin in the game. So A0 is the pledge influence factor. It affects how much rewards you get by having increased pledge, and raising A0 will reduce rewards for low pledge pools more than high pledge pools. And then finally, K is a parameter that determines the saturation cap for all pools, currently set to about 500, which puts a saturation cap about 75 million ADA. And if you have a stake amount over that saturation cap, that additional stake doesn't earn for rewards. A common thing that you might hear Kay talk about is it's called like target number of stake pools. And I think that there's a better way to visualize that is as a Simpsons index, which is basically a measure of diversity, usually used in ecology among species. And how we use it here is if you select 2 ADA randomly out of all staked ADA, the chances of it being from the same stake pool are about 1 in 481. So if you measure it that way, we've actually converged pretty close to our K target.
I actually come from an environmental science background, so I really appreciated how he explained K, the target number of stake pools, and normally that's used for biodiversity, but in his video, he really clearly explained it. So if you want to check out his whole 7-minute video, I'll link it down below. It's on X. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your thoughts right now on CIP 50, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends, show this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!